Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect DocuSign to an iOS mobile app for signing. Complete guide step by step clearly. To connect DocuSign to your iOS mobile app for signing, start by ensuring that you have the DocuSign app installed on your device. Open the App Store on your iOS device. Search for DocuSign in the App Store. Download and install the DocuSign app if you haven't done so already. Once installed, open the DocuSign app. Sign in with your DocuSign account credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create a new one. After signing in, navigate to the Signing tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find any documents that require your signature. To import a document, tap on the plus sign icon located in the top right corner. Select Send or Request a document from the options. Choose Use a template if you have a pre-built template, or select Upload to add a new document. If you are uploading a new document, choose the file source either from your device or a cloud storage service. Once the document uploads, you'll be taken to the editing screen. Drag and drop the signature field to the appropriate spot on the document. You can customize the document by adding any necessary fields like date or text boxes. When you're satisfied with the document setup, tap on the Next button. On the next screen, you can review all the details before sending it for signing. If everything looks good, tap Send. You will receive a notification when the document is ready for your signature. To sign the document, open the notification or go back to the DocuSign app. Tap on the document to view it. Follow the prompts to add your signature. You can use your finger to draw your signature or select a pre-made option. After signing, review any additional fields you may need to complete. Tap Finish once you have completed all required sections. Your signed document will be saved automatically within the app. To share the signed document, tap on the Share icon. Select your preferred sharing method, whether through email, cloud storage, or other options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.